Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson from English Junction, lesson 2, celebrating Bihu. Students, do you know what are festivals? Festivals are a time of celebration and togetherness. So students, in this lesson we will know about the Bihu festival which is celebrated in Assam. Students, once upon a time, Arthur was traveling to visit Aunt Ratna's family with his ma and Baba. He was very excited and do you know students, Assam is one of the most beautiful state in India and it is also very rich in agriculture, and the three harvest festivals of Bihu are its most important celebration. Student, do you know what is the meaning of harvest festival? As you can see, celebration of the food grown on the land. Author asked Baba to tell him more about Bihu. Baba said, the Assamese celebrate three types of Bihu in a year. Rongali Bihu at the start of sowing the of seeds, Kongali Bihu when the sowing is completed, and Bhogali Bihu at the end of harvesting period. Students, then after Ma said, we are going just in time for Rongali Bihu. When we reached Guwahati, we were welcomed warmly by Uncle Pramod and Aunt Ratna. Author parents told them how eager I was to know about Bihu, and they enthusiastically described the festival to me. Students, do you know what is the meaning of enthusiastically? With a lot of excitement and interest. Then after, Uncle began to describe. Rongali Bihu is the Assamese New Year. It marks the arrival of spring. We usually celebrate it in the middle of April every year. It is called Rongali Bihu because of the happiness it brings to people. Students, why it is called Rongali Bihu? Because the happiness it brings to people. Actually, we celebrate Rongali Bihu over several days. This is continued by Aunt Ratna. Since Bihu is about farming and cultivation, farmers spend a whole day decorating their cattle, means to their cows and bulls. They bath their cows and bulls with ma halodi, a paste of some black gram and a little turmeric. Do you know students? I think you all know about turmeric, yellow spice used in cooking. After this, they decorate the animals with a few garlands. The next day, we all wore new clothes and welcomed aunt and uncle's friends and relatives. Students, next day, author and all the members wore new clothes as they were celebrating the festival. I couldn't stop eating tasty laru and pitha. Author said when he saw laru and pitha, he couldn't stop eating traditional Assamese sweets. Laru and pitha, these are the traditional Assamese sweets. Author saw many people gifting each other hand-woven cotton towels called gamosas. Do you know students? In Assam, one hand-woven cotton towel is there that is called gamosas. Aunt Ratna explained, on this day, the Assamese greet each other, welcome their guests, and pay their respect to elders in the family by presenting them with new gamosas. Students, whenever they celebrate this festival, if the people are coming to their home, they greet their or they welcome their guest and pay their respect to elders in the family by presenting them with a new gamosas. She gifted me a lovely red and white gamosas as a keepsake. Students, do you know author also got one lovely red and white gamosa. And what is the meaning of keepsake? Student, keepsake is a small object that someone gives you so that you will remember them. The next day, we went along with aunt and uncle to watch a cultural program in a nearby park. We watched many performances of Bihu, sorry, of Bihu songs known as Bihu Geet and a few traditional Bihu dances. Uncle Pramod said, in the past, people celebrated Bihu only in the villages. These days, Bihu celebrations are common even in cities and towns. Students, few years before, people were celebrating the Bihu only in the villages, but nowadays, Bihu is celebrating even in cities and towns. Old Bihu songs are wonderful to listen to. You know, they have been passed on from one generation to the next. Bihu dances are performed to the music of instruments like dhol, pepa, tal, gogona and toka. Students, I am going to tell you about these instruments. Dhol is a musical instrument similar to a drum. I think you all know about this. Pepa, a wind instrument made from a buffalo horn. Please students, it is made from a buffalo horn. Tal, a musical instrument where two metal plates are clashed together to produce sounds. Gogona, a small string instrument made of bamboo. Toka, it is a musical instrument made of bamboo that makes a clapping sound. Clear students? As you can see, I watched the Bihu dance performed by both men and women. It was joyous. I loved its brisk step and hand movement and joined in the dance. I was shy at first but soon began to thoroughly enjoy the music and the steps. Students, whenever you are going to do the dance, if you are not able to do the dance, then you are feeling shy. But then after when the music start, you also celebrate and enjoy a lot. Same as T's author also doing the same. Everyone clapped when the dance ended. It was truly delightful end to the day. Before leaving Guwahati, I promised Aunt Ratna that I would visit them again to participate in two other Bihu festival as well. What are the two other festival? Kongali Bihu, when farmers light saki or earthen lamp in the paddy field and pray for good crop, and Bhogali Bihu with its feasting and bonfire. What is the meaning of feasting? A large number of people enjoying a special meal. Bonfire, a large outdoor fire as a part of celebration. Clear students? I hope you understood the lesson.